So are you single like me and want to celebrate this Valentine Day with certification? So this video is perfectly for you. Here we'll talk about the Microsoft, Google and Oracle certification free of cost. How you can get all the certifications free of cost. But before we start, make sure you subscribe the channel and like the video. Here first of all, let me talk about the associate level basic certification by Oracle that is free of cost. Now you need to understand how to get this certification for free. And will there be any guide also or not? So here you can see this is the basic level certification and it's a MCQ format, means multiple choice questions will be there and you have to select one. Duration is 60 minutes and exam price is free. And here number of questions will be 40 and passing percentage is 65%. Okay, so once the exam is validated, means you need to complete the examination, you'll be getting the certification. And here you can see I will attach all the links, do not worry. Here they have mentioned everything, means if you are completely new, you want to read about the certification details. So here you can see that, let me just show you the complete guide. So when you click on register for free, you will be redirected to a particular page over here. Now here multiple modules are there, multiple practice tests are also there to help you learn about it, whether you are targeting for different security courses, like whether your interest is cloud security, DevOps, digital assistant. Like this you can just enable the filter, but here we are talking about the OCI levels certification. So here you can see all these certifications are there. If I open the first certification, here you can see there is complete path, means complete learning path is there. So here you can see they have some courses which include the labs, videos, etc. Okay. And after that, you can see there are some practice exam, means before getting the main exam, you can say it's in multiple languages also. Before getting into main exam, you can practice all the questions like this. Similarly, if you want to do other exam like OCI Associate Foundations, this exam, or you want to become a data platform foundation associate, so you can click on it. It's very simple. You need to come over here, register for free. I will attach the link. After that, you have to just select whatever exam you like, and here will be practice questions, practice papers, all things will be there. You can just complete the module and then go for the exam. Okay, it will be proctored, I think so you can just take the benefit of it. Hurry up and register in this event. And if you're interested in Microsoft and Google certification, I have attached the playlist. You can check out over there also. Now do like the video and subscribe the channel, and have a great day ahead.